One of the most popular search terms right now is best digital products to sell. This is especially true after the COVID-19 pandemic. No matter what your interests and skills are, there are always ways to make extra money if you're willing to put in a little extra work. In fact, e-commerce has made it possible for you to sell both physical and digital products to make money while you sleep. Starting a business selling digital products is a smart way to get a piece of the market. Do you want to join one of the industries with the most growth? If so, get ready to learn about the best digital products. To capture a piece of the pie, it's a wise move to start a digital product business. Regardless of your areas of interest and expertise, if you're willing to put in a little extra effort to bring some extra cash, opportunities always await you. Actually, e-commerce has enabled you to sell not only tangible items, but also digital products to earn a passive income. How do digital products work? Digital goods are basically things that don't exist in the real world but do exist in digital form. In other words, digital products are things that can be bought online but don't exist in the real world. Photographs, videos, audio, music, ebooks, and other things are all examples of digital products. I've got you excited about how fantastic digital products are, and now it's time to show you the best types of digital products to sell online in 2022. Number 1. Podcasts and audiobooks. It's worth mentioning one of the best digital products to sell 2022. Podcasts and audiobooks. If you're a musician, you've probably looked into ways to monetize your skills or the following you've built. While CD and DVDs are always an option, you can also consider selling your products online. Along with music, you can offer recordings, podcasts, audiobooks, or sound effects, etc. With online digital products, you don't have to keep any inventory. So you may try out multiple forms to determine what your audience wants without taking any risks. Audio, in essence, is a potent medium for delivering messages. Audio tracks can entertain, calm, instruct, and inspire people who pay for them. Number 2. Art and photography. As you may know, one of the most sought-after digital products nowadays is high-quality, premium pictures. The global photographic services market was worth $32.92 billion in 2020, and it is expected to generate $11.5 billion in sales. Bloggers and website owners are the major users of internet images. Genuine and stock photography has commoditized the industry to the point that certain images are being offered for less than their true value, or they are given away for free. However, photographers may still charge fair pricing for truly amazing photographs. A photographer's portfolio is incomplete without a website. It's critical to present your work in a nice way if you want to level up your profile. Besides, it's feasible to make a lot of money selling your independent or client commission photography on your own website if you have competitive pricing and high-quality shots. Number 3. Software and tech. When it comes to the question, what are the products that sell the most online? It's worth mentioning software and technology. In today's digital age, the software industry is massive and continues to expand. In 2021, the global technology industry is expected to be worth $5 trillion. If this prediction comes true, it will result in a growth rate of 4.2%. Beyond a shadow of doubt, the software and technology industry is bursting at the seams with opportunities. If we see increasing trends, facial recognition technology is becoming very viral nowadays because of the increasing security concerns, especially after COVID-19. The ability to write any type of code can result in new, beneficial goods for anyone. It doesn't matter if it's desktop software, website layout, mobile app, video game, or anything else. The possibilities are boundless, and there is almost certainly a market for it. Number 4. Memberships. If you're a blogger or simply passionate about a certain topic, you might consider starting a membership site. This is when users pay a premium price to access exclusive content on your website. There are many advantages to doing this. One is that you can create a members-only content area for nearly any kind of content, from podcast and news sites to learning and marketing sites. Plus, as we mentioned earlier, you can use our MemberPress plugin to set one up quickly and easily. You can simply integrate the plugin with your WordPress site to put your quality content behind a paywall. Since your content is only accessible by paid subscribers, you can host an exclusive webinar and have them stream it rather than downloading it. Number 5. Coaching packages. As part of your passive income strategy, you can decide to add a coaching service to your list of digital products. Here's what I mean. Let's say you have mastered all the tricks and strategies in affiliate marketing. You wrote a book and even converted it to an online course, all of which you're selling. Notice that some people still require a one-on-one coaching session to help them understand better. To leverage this situation, you can create a coaching package for your audience. For $500, you spend 15 minutes on the phone with your customers every 2 weeks. This is, of course, subjective. Here, you are creating a digital product and a service. It's a digital product because you sell it online and do not have to be in physical contact with your audience. It's a service, on the other hand, because you are providing value/substance to your customer. That is, you are working directly with your customer. Now is a great time to get into the world of e-commerce because more people are shopping online than ever before. But it can be hard to figure out where to start. As we talked about in this article, selling digital products has many benefits, such as lower costs and quick delivery. There are also a lot of other things to think about, such as hiring a professional, taking online courses, or using ebooks or templates. Using tools like easy digital downloads and our MemberPress plugin makes it easy to sell digital goods. Do you have any questions about selling digital goods online? Tell us what you think in the section below.